Have you ever treated someone so well that in the end you lost them anyway? Take a moment and sit with that question. Don't rush to answer it. Let it sink in. Because what you're about to hear may make you uncomfortable. And that's precisely why you need to hear it. There is a trap that countless men fall into every day. A trap nobody ever taught you how to avoid. A trap romantic movies glorify as though it were a noble quality. A trap your parents may have encouraged without realizing the consequences. Yet, in relationships, it functions like a slow-acting poison. That trap is called neediness. And the truth is that most men never realize they've stepped right into it. Think back to the last time you genuinely liked someone who became the first thought in your mind the moment you woke up each morning. What happened then? You probably answered their messages almost immediately. You adjusted your schedule just to spend time with them. You agreed with them even when you knew they weren't entirely right. You searched for reasons to be around them whenever possible. And deep down, you honestly believe that was exactly what you were supposed to do. You believed that being so attentive, so available, so committed would make things work. But it didn't. And this is where the real conversation begins. Human psychology operates according to a brutal logic that has no concern for good intentions. It doesn't matter how much effort you invested or how many hours you spent thinking about someone. What the mind notices, what it interprets, what it eventually translates into attraction or indifference follows an entirely different set of rules. And once you understand that process, once you truly see it in action, you'll begin to understand why certain situations unfolded the way they did. There was a philosopher from the 15th century whom nobody would normally connect to romance. A man who wrote about rulers, power, and human nature with a level of cold realism that shocked the people of his time. Niccolo Machiavelli. Yet what he wrote about fear, respect, power, and humanity describes with remarkable accuracy something that plays out every single day in countless conversations, dates, and relationships that slowly lose their spark without anyone fully understanding why. Machiavelli argued that those who depend on pleading and excessive compliance eventually destroy themselves. He wasn't speaking about romance, he was discussing politics. But the principle remains surprisingly similar, because attraction may not be politics, but the psychology behind both shares common ground. Think about this for a moment. When someone gives you everything without being asked for, without making you work for it, without requiring any effort on your part, what do you actually feel? Perhaps gratitude, perhaps comfort, but rarely admiration, rarely the kind of profound respect that causes someone to occupy a unique place in your mind. Human value functions much like economic value. As cold as that may sound, the brain often treats those two systems in remarkably similar ways. What is scarce tends to feel valuable. What is abundant tends to feel replaceable. When a man becomes constantly available, completely predictable, endlessly accommodating, his presence gradually loses significance. Not because he's a bad person, not because he's undeserving of affection, but because the other person's mind unconsciously begins to categorize him as someone whose time carries little value, someone whose presence is not a deliberate choice, but a necessity. And neediness has never inspired genuine respect in the human mind.